Here's one. This is a quick little one. Great little. Look at this little thing. Okay, I complain about the Apple TV remote, and I complained about it up until the recent event when they showed off the new Apple TV. And they're like, we sort of fixed the remote. And then everybody afterwards was because, you know, they did fix certain aspects of the remote, but then everybody afterwards was like, what about can we track it? Because you just did AirTags too. Is it going to be, because you lose the remote all the time?
Yeah.
In my house. I know people get angry. They're like, why are you losing a remote? My house is insane. It's absolute madness. I just feel the need. I got to reiterate every so often. It's a lot of moving parts. You know, it's like the cartoon, like, dun, 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 dun. It's like, nothing is still. There's no stillness.
Sure, yeah.
Not in my house. I know you got that at your house. So don't you dare. Don't you dare.
No, I got Otis.
No. Otis lying down sleeping right now. Yeah, he is. You see, you were hoping I would have woke him up with that, but no, he's sound asleep. The only way he's going to wake up, if anything happens somewhere in the distance at some door, and then he's going to let us all know.
That happens all the time.
Well, he's going to let us all know. But, like, I think I can. Oh, I almost got him. Nah, he's still sleeping. Wow, that was a real test. You were worried. You totally changed your posture.
No. He knows your craziness.
It's true. It's true. My noises have become predictable to him at this point. The unpredictability of those noises is predictable to him.
Yeah.
Anyway, so yes, Will, I know you got a nice little fancy setup over there. Super quiet. You probably put on a chill tunes, and I know what you got going on. You never lose a remote in your entire life. You're perfect. I get it. All right. But at my house, madness. So I need this. They came up with a little case here to put. Actually, I'm thinking of maybe doing a Kevlar version of this.
Oh, yeah?
If it's possible. I don't know.
Right.
I'm going to look into it because obviously I'm not a huge fan of the look of that plastic. Now, I know it's crude. It's just a 3D idea at the moment. But this is the idea everybody had when AirTags and the new Apple TV was announced. Now, this one's actually built for the old Apple TV controller, but you would just change the dimensions of it. So this is a case that clicks in an AirTag, and then the remote clicks on top of it. And so you never lose your remote ever again because now you got the ultra wideband.
Right, you can just track it.
Oh my God, you got the arrows. Oh, there it is. It's in the couch. Oh, there it is. It's in the toilet.
Yeah, it'd be really easy for Apple to put an AirTag in the remote.
It'd be sick.
But
Right, yeah.
no.
Well, they got to
Or
sell you the
even
AirTag.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
But then just
Makes
make a case.
No, because this
Double
is
up.
very un-Apple, right? Like this is
Yeah.
some MacGyver stuff over here. There's some Mad Max type stuff over here, you know. But I don't care because, and I know you're saying, look how fat the thing. I don't.
Whoa, that is huge.
Hey.
That is way bigger than I
Hey,
thought.
hey, man.
You're
be-
Oh,
fine.
at least the AirTag is flesh.
Okay, listen
Yeah, it looks pretty nice.
to me for a second here. This thing is so thin to begin with that this is deceiving. This is still thinner than a typical remote. Do we have a typical remote? Do I have a typical remote over here? Here. This is still fatter than that. Okay.
Then that with the case
Yes,
on?
it's a yes.
Oh, okay.
This is still fat. Don't be deceived. The remote is so thin to begin with.
They got a glow in the dark version.
Which again, with the losing,
Yeah.
you get the glow in the dark as well. So, and it's so losable that I actually intentionally make mine fatter already, which I covered on this show, and people are sick of it at this point. I put a case on just to make it fatter. So anyway, I'm looking into whether or not it's possible to do this with later case in Kevlar. I'm not sure. I'm putting that out there right now, but we'll see if it's possible. If not, you have to do it with plastic. And your mileage may vary as far as the appearance of it is concerned, and the touch too. Like it might. Hopefully, maybe you can do it in a nice plastic. I don't know. I'll try to mock something. We'll see what happens over here. But anyway, in the meantime, you can see the 3D printed version on Etsy.